Hi everyone, this is just a quick one today. I'm putting some final touches to some of my templates for the Flow 7 data migration system, and I needed to put some editable fields in my PDF files that I'd created in Canva. I'd just like to show you PDF Filler, a cool feature that helped me because I had quite a number of text boxes to create. So here's a quick one. So, as I said, I created my templates in Canva, and I did this one a few days ago, and I downloaded them. And as you can see, I want these to be usable templates. And at the minute, obviously, we've got no editable fields, and you can't actually do that natively, as far as I'm aware, in Canva at the moment, and I couldn't find where it is. If we just quickly have a look at PDF Filler. So I created a trial account. And I think you get a 30-day trial account. You can do a number of documents. So we're just going to add the document that I want to add the fields to. So it's just uploading the document now, and I'll open that. Here's my document, and on the third page, I've got a table which I want to have editable fields. So there's the Add Fields button up here. So you go to Add Fields. Now you can take a field and drag and drop it and resize it. It also has another cool feature that down here, if you get the pop-up box, you can add fields. So if we let that run, it's going to work on it for the moment. As you see, it's added a load of text fields. Now in this instance, some of these need resizing and tidying up. But then in terms of adding your fields, whether you do the drag and drop and resizing, or you use their auto filler and then just change them, that is it for fillable fields. I will just download this one, so it's done. Download that. So if we open the one I've just downloaded, you can now see we've got editable fields. And then you can send those filled in, or your customers can fill those in. So that's it then. How to add some editable fields to your PDF file that you've either printed in Microsoft or you've created in something like Canva.